MDF1 term 1311 project 4 video. I access my remote data through a API that is through the New York Times. My launch image is obviously New York Times, just seemed right. These are the top 10 most viewed articles. This is kind of like an overview of them. Each one, as it's gathered from the API in the remote server, it's parsed and then saved to a custom class, which is data, and it actually writes to all these objects, these NS arrays. It's just like the directions say, table view. These are all the titles of the articles. If I had had more time, I had a lot of problems with this project. I didn't understand fully how the XML parsing worked. I had problems with the table view, which was my own fault. It was the same issue I've had previously with the table view, and I just couldn't remember till the last minute. There was just a whole bunch of things that gradually added up. But next time, whenever I have a list like this, I would like to make a custom table view cell and have a multiple line label on it so I can get the whole title on there. But it populates the text view. I got the title. This, the New York Times, is something I manually put in, but the title, the author, the date, and the abstract description all comes from the remote API. I think I could have done better on this application. I really do. When I watched the videos, I didn't feel like it would be as difficult as it was. And then after I started, I really got hung up on how the parser works as far as the functions that are involved. But I got in touch with some people that are way more knowledgeable than I am, and after a little bit of explaining, it all made perfect sense. The average, these are all the scientific articles for one day in the most viewed category. The XML that returns is usually somewhere around 39 results, 40 results, at least it has been. So as you can see, it's a mess of stuff. And I got it down to just the top 10. And this is actually a live API. I set up an account. So all this information gets refreshed daily. So these probably won't be the same list that will be tomorrow and the following day. Thank you. This is my MDF1 Project 4 video.